Whoa, what up, YouTube? What's going on? It's your brother UD, and I am the CEO of Pips to Dollar FX. Welcome you once again to my channel. As you all know, this channel we post back to back chart analysis for every single week. That is what we do. You can check in the channel, you'll see the videos for every week that we have been posting, and they have been doing greatly well. I welcome everyone once again. I have my Telegram channel where I post signals every week, so you have to also do yourself a favor to join the group by checking on the description of this video. You are going to see the link to the Telegram channel, and if you are new to the channel, you are highly welcome. Just help us click on the subscription button, on the notification bell, so that in every time I post a new video like this, you will always and always be updated. Wow, have you done that? Good. So like I said, what I do here is that I post my chart analysis for every week. My thought processes, where I think the market is going to move, the direction that the market is going to move, and for you to also learn from it and from the way I analyze my own charts. All right, so without wasting much of our time, let us go to the business. I have up to eight pairs on my watch list, but I'm not going to share them all with us, because it's what I do with the premium students. I share everything. We do a live analysis of everything, but here I'm just going to relate about three of them to us. So you just have to stay to the end of this video so that you learn one or two. All right, so let's get started now. Let me quickly go to the first pair I want to look at. NZDJPY, the New Zealand dollar against the Japanese yen. Wow. So guys, look at this trade. It's very simple, what I'm seeing here is very simple. One, I saw this first bottom here. Second, we saw this push up and a push down again to make the second bottom, and that's a very nice double bottom, and this is our neckline that has been drawn. So seeing that, see that price took above that point, and now price is going back to retest that point. So I'm just waiting for price to land there, and once price lands at that point and gives me a nice reversal pattern on the lower time frame, I will just take a buy from there, and this is going to be my take profit. Yes, that point is going to be my take profit. And let me see, going lower. I also discovered that I can draw a trend line, this trend line that is moving right here, and you see price also had taken the trend line. It has cut above the trend line from what you can see there. So this point now, this point, price moving down to this area is a hot cake for me. That area will be very nice for me, and I'm waiting for that area, for this point right here, for me to take a buy on that. And I can also confirm it with my Fibonacci too. Let me see what the Fibonacci level is going to align at that particular area, or like that particular point. And okay, I can see, let me put it well now. Good. So that area, you see, that area is corresponding to the 78 Fibonacci level. 78 Fibonacci level, somewhere here, 78 and 61.8 Fibonacci level. So around that area is where I will be looking for that chart pattern or reversal candlestick pattern for me to join the trade, guys. And I'm going to drive it all the way up to this particular point. All right, so sounds good. That is how simple it is. All right, so let's move to the next pair here that I have here is GBPUSD, GBPUSD. All right, so we saw that this trend is in a downtrend. Look at that, we are in a downtrend, fine, but something happened here. Something happened right here. You see, this was the previous low. This was the previous low that we had. Price broke it, went back to retest, came down. Now, if this trade were to continue in the downtrend, it would have taken this low. It would have taken this low. But you see how massively the market pushed up from this particular low. See, boom, to the upside. And I think now that the trend is about to change, but the trend has not yet changed, because until it takes above this high, that is when it's going to, change and start moving to the upside. But for now, I can see some signs that the price is going to. Now look at this low. This low point, now this area that I just marked out has been taken. The price closed above it. Sorry about that. Price closed above it with this candle, and now we are coming back to that zone. So this particular zone now is where I will be looking for a buying signal. So I'll be looking for a buying signal from that zone back to this one. Okay, I'm probably back here, and then we start, an uptrend there. So if I go to the lower time frame, yes, I can see this momentum. I can see this great impulse to the upside. You see, so you look at this is just like a retracement. It's like a retracement. Let's go to 1 hour so you can see it very well. Now look at this sweet impulse movement to the upside, and look at how choppy the candlesticks here are. So that is telling us that this is a retracement. So what I'm looking for now is for price to just come into this area, gives us something like double bottom, then price moves up. So generally this is the area that I am waiting for to take my decision, to make my decision on the buy, because I want to be buying. I want to be buying on GBPUSD. All right, so it sounds good. Nice. Now another one here, and the last one here will be USDCHF. Now look at this. From the daily time frame, you can see this impulse movement. You get? Now after that impulse movement, look at how sideways the market has been moving. So this is basically showing us that we may continue this impulse movement, this type of impulse movement on this side. You get? Because this price has been in a choppy movement. So we have the nature's theory, something like that. Price moves in an impulse manner. This is just a correction, and price can move back again in an impulse manner. So if you go lower to 4 hours time frame, you will discover that you can draw your trend line here. You can draw your trend line there. Where you have, let's see this other trend line, this other one now pushing up. Now I could see that price has just taken below that trend line with this candlestick. You get that? With that candlestick, and all this is the retest to the trend line. You get? So now what I'm expecting, that when price opens, price should continue to the downside. You get? And another thing is, look at this point. Price was unable to take above this point, and when it came back this last time, it broke that area. Now going back to retest on the trend line. So we continue the downward movement again. So guys, that is basically what I am expecting from those three pairs. You can go check them out, also learn from it. Go and check them out, learn from it, and you also see what I'm saying. You can also add that to your own strategy, and have a better entry and a better strategy. So that is that for today's class for the week. That is the pace that I'm looking at. I wish everybody Merry Christmas to everyone that is celebrating. Is good, and I also wish us a prosperous new year in advance. All right, so guys, thank you very much for sticking around. If you are new to the channel, please do well to subscribe for us. Subscribe please, so that we can grow. Subscribe for us and on the notification bell, so that you can always be updated every time I post some nice content like this. All right guys, so let's watch it out and see how the price is going to move for the week. Thank you very much guys. Thank you for staying till the end of this video. I love you all. Thank you and bye for now.